Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this problem, and it says the void volume within a textile fabric affects comfort, flammability, and insulation properties. Permeability of the fabric refers to accessibility of void space to the flow of gas or liquid. An article gave summary information on the air permeability for the number of different fabric types. Consider the following data on two different types of plain weave fabric. So we have cotton and we have triacetate. Assuming that the porosity distributions for both types of fabric are normal, let's calculate the confidence interval for the difference between the average true porosity for the cotton fabric and that of the acetate fabric using a 95% confidence level. Before the appropriate T critical value can be selected, the degree of freedom must be determined. So it gave me the confidence interval, round to 2 decimal places. So first of all, the average of the cotton, the sample mean, is 51.51. The average of the triacetate is 138.16. The sample standard deviation is 0.75 for the cotton. And for the other material is 3.59. Sample size for both are 10. And it's a 95% confidence interval. And I'm going to go out. Let's see. It wants you to round to 2 decimal places. So the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to take 10 minus 1, which is 9. That's your degrees of freedom for both. So you're going to do 9 times your standard deviation of 0.75 squared plus 9 times 3.59 squared. And you're going to divide that by 9 plus 9, which is 18. Then you're going to get 6.73. You're going to find the square root of 6.73, and that's going to be 2.59. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take 2.59, you're going to multiply that by 1/9 plus 1/9, and that is going to, I'm sorry, not 1/9 times 1/9, 1/10 plus 1/10, which is 2/10. And so then that is going to equal 1.16. Then what you're going to do is you're going to calculate your degrees of freedom, which is 18. So you are going to then take T18, or you're going to look at your T-score chart, and you're going to have T 0.975, and degree of freedom is 18. And so it's going to be actually, I'm getting 2.1. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take the difference between your means, which is negative 86.65, and you're going to multiply these two values. I'm sorry, not those two values. You're going to multiply these two values here. And so it's going to be negative 86.65 plus or minus 2.44, because this is 2.44. And so you are going to get a confidence interval of, it is negative 89.09 to negative 84.21. So I hope that this video helps. This is the math teacher signing